Welcome to The Explainer. So, what if you could make thousands of dollars on YouTube without ever picking up a camera or even recording your own voice? Today, we're diving into a pretty wild blueprint that promises you can do just that.
The whole idea is simple, maybe a little too simple. We're looking at a strategy from one content creator who says you can rake in hundreds, even thousands, of dollars without ever showing your face or saying a word yourself. The creator kicks things off with a huge promise, a way to earn money right from home just by using content that's already out there. But here's the real kicker. He claims these channels get fully monetized and have zero copyright problems.
Okay, so does this actually work? Is there any proof? Well, the creator points to several channels that he says are using this exact method, and he throws out some pretty impressive numbers to back it all up.
He puts one channel under the microscope, breaking down its performance over just 28 days, to try and prove that this is more than just a theory. In just 1 month, this channel supposedly pulled in over $500. It also apparently racked up 60,000 hours of watch time. Now, to put that in perspective, you only need 4,000 hours to even apply for monetization, so yeah.
And it didn't stop there. The channel also managed to pull in nearly 9,000 new subscribers in that same short window.
And he doesn't just stop at one example. He shows off a few other channels, including one with 70,000 subscribers that he says is making $1,000 every single month. You gotta admit, those numbers are pretty eye-catching. But how in the world is this supposed to be done? Let's get into the method.
So, the whole process starts not with a video, but with a simple, static background image. The instructions he gives are surprisingly specific. He tells you to go to Pinterest, use the exact search term Islamic template background, find a design that catches your eye, and download it.
Okay, so you've got your background. Now it's time for the main event, the actual video content that you're going to put on top of it.
And where do you get this content? Well, from YouTube itself. He points everyone to the official channel of a well-known public speaker named Mufti Tariq Masoop. But here's where it gets really interesting. The creator puts up a big warning sign. He says, look, I can't actually show you how to download the videos because that would break YouTube's rules and could get my own channel shut down.
So you've got your background image, you've got your video clip. The last step is just to smash them together. And the crazy part is, this whole editing process is designed to be done right on your phone. No fancy computer needed. He uses a really popular app called InShot.
He lays it all out in 4 basic steps. It looks simple enough, but that second step, enhancing the image quality, is what he claims is absolutely crucial to the entire strategy.
First things first, you just bring that background from Pinterest into the editor and make sure it's set to that standard 16:9 YouTube